Okay. Well, here is my first cold start of the season. It's a 74 Dodge 318. Yeah, buddy. That started too damn easy. Oh, man, it's windy as hell out here. It's like got him in the 20s. Teaching a little bit. Oh. Here, take a look at this motor. Oh yeah. There she is. Did have a different kind of motor in, but I had no idea what it was. It does have a hole, not a big hole, but a little hole in the exhaust. I forget which side it was on. Anyway, oh, I'm cold as shit. Yeah, she's still cold. Still on empty. Got 51,124 miles. This will shut her down. Don't got too much goddamn gas in there. Yeah, that's frozen. Yeah. At least everything else is so good. House. Oh, that's frozen. This is frozen. That's frozen. Another cold start to be in the shed there once I get it fixed. And then them two there, two tractors here. Oh fuck. Damn wind. They haven't been started in I don't know how many months. 12.5 horse crafting and a 14 horse red valve, and that hood don't open, damn it. Oh well. That's a 14 horse craft. And then I got another one in the shed. That's a 14 horse, but that let me down this year. Well, look forward to more. I'll talk to you later.